Very good morning, children. Once again, welcome to the online classes. So how are you, children? Hope you are all safe. And today you are going to learn English writing. What? English writing. You are going to learn English writing. Okay. So in the previous class, what did you learn? You learned pattern writing. What? Pattern writing. You learned pattern writing. So in the previous class, what did you learn? Pattern writing. So in pattern writing, what did you learn? Come on, children, tell me, what did you learn? Can you remember? Just last week you have learned. Remember and tell me what all you learned. Just 3 patterns you learned. Which are the 3 patterns? Dot, dash, standing line. What? Dot, dash, standing line. So children, did you practice in the rough notebook? Parents, I request you once again, please kindly sit with the child and give them the practice. And this you have to write only in the rough notebook. Okay, children? So today you are going to learn the next 3 pattern writing. Okay? So I first draw. So how will I teach you last time? How did I teach you? First, red line, blue line, red line. Okay, children? You have to remember when you are writing English writing, the 4-line book, that is 4-line book, red and blue lines book, that is 4-line book. So you have to first remember before you start writing is red line, blue line, red line. Again repeat, red line, blue line, red line. Again, red line, blue line, red line. Again, red line, blue line, red line. Okay, so this is red line, blue line, red line. So the next pattern what you are going to learn, that is sleeping line. What? Sleeping line. How do you write sleeping line? You are going to write in the second blue line, sleeping line. You are going to write, don't put small dash, it will become dash. So this is wrong. You have to put little long. That is sleeping line. What? Sleeping line. Repeat. Sleeping line means the one which is straight. Okay, one pencil box will be straight, pencil will be straight. So these are the sleeping. See, you can see this chalk piece also. Can you see this chalk piece? Yes, this is sleeping line. Okay, children. The next, you're going to learn slanting line. From the red line to the blue line. Again repeat, red line to the blue line, slanting line towards your left side. Which is your left hand? This is your left hand. So from the red line you have to go to the blue line. Next, slanting line means what? Everything which is slant. Okay? The same way you have to write on the other side, from the right side. So that is red line to the blue line. Slanting line. Okay, children, what is this? sleeping line. This is slanting line. Next, this also is slanting. Next is curve. What? Curves. See, curves. From the red line, you have to take slowly a bend. Curve. 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 Okay, that is curves. So whatever the thing what you take is, suppose I'll take this card. Okay, suppose you bend this book. Okay, when you bend the book, it is curve. Okay, children. So whatever the object what you see is like this, like a pot. Okay, suppose the pot, you have to draw pot. This is curve. So in the pot, for example, that is okay. So when you draw a pot, you take a curve. So that is curve. Okay, children. So again, I'll repeat. Sleeping line. What is sleeping line? Like for example, I showed you no chalk piece. Okay, children, are you looking at me? Look at me. See, what is this? Chalk piece. So chalk piece is in the pattern of sleeping line. It will be straight. And even pencil, you have seen pencil, right? Pencil also is in the shape of a sleeping line. Next is slanting line. This is also slanting line. Suppose slanting line is, this is sleeping line. So if you bend like this is slanting line. If you bend like this is slanting line. Okay, children, you have to learn fast the pattern writing. Then I can start with the alphabets. You will enjoy writing alphabets, right? Capital A, small a. Okay, children. So next is curves. So how I told you, for example, I draw a pot and I showed you the pattern writing is curves. So again, we'll repeat. Dot, dash, standing line. Standing line. Next is again sleeping line. Next is slanting line. Next is curves. Okay, children. So these are the pattern writing. If you learn to write pattern writing, you will be able to write the alphabets. Okay. How do you write alphabets? Only if you know the pattern writing. If you do not know the pattern writing, you will not be able to write. So you have to start from the red line to the blue line. So which is red line? Again, I am repeating it. Parents kindly make sure the child knows which is red line, blue line, and red line. So this is red line, blue line, red line. Again, I am repeating. Red line, blue line, red line. Again, I am repeating. See, I'll draw and show again. Okay. Red line, blue line, red line. Okay, children. So you have to learn which is red line, blue line, and red line. So today you learned how to write. In the previous class you learned dot, dash, standing line. And today you learn sleeping line, slanting line, curves. Okay, children. So the next subject you are going to learn oral. So next is English oral. Okay, English oral. So in English oral, what you're going to learn? Now, which picture is this? Capital A, small a. A for apple. Repeat again. Capital A, small a. A for apple. Okay, children. So I'll show you how to write capital A and small a. Okay. So how you are going to write capital A? Capital A, small a. A for apple. A for apple. Again, I'll repeat. See, children, can you see this letter? A for apple. Capital A, small a. Capital B, small b. The next letter you are going to learn, capital B, small b. Now, which letter is this? Capital A, small a. A for apple. A for apple. Can you see? Apple, you know, apple is red in color. You love apple. You should eat apple. Apple gives you lot of strength. It is very good for health. It is a healthy food. So, A for apple. What is the color of an apple? Apple is red in color. Apple is red in color. The next letter. Capital B, small b. Capital B, small b. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. Shall I show you how is butterfly clap? Okay, put your right hand like this. Like this. Butterfly clap. Butterfly clap. So like this you clap, no? The same way this is called butterfly clap. Can you see this? Yes, children, butterfly clap. Butterfly clap. Butterfly, you know, no? Butterfly, it is a very cute insect, okay? It is a very cute butterfly, okay? So you will see in different colors, yellow, green, blue, red, it will all be mixed. It's a very cute butterfly. So how do you write capital B? Capital B, small b. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. Okay, children? B for butterfly. Again, repeat. Capital B, small b. Repeat. Capital B, small b. B for butterfly. Okay, children. Next. Red line, blue line, blue line. Red line, blue line, blue line, red line. Next is capital A, small a. A for apple. Capital B, small b. B for butterfly. Now next is capital C, small c. C for cat. How do you draw cat? C for cat. Meow. Cat. Meow. C for cat. Can you see this cat? Yes. Can you see? Capital C, small c. C for cat. C for cat. Capital C, small c. C for cat. Okay, children? Capital C, small c. C for cat. Next is D. Capital D, small d. D for doll. Girls love dolls, right? You have seen Barbie doll, this doll, that doll, all cute dolls. It will have beautiful frock and all, no? So Barbie doll. So D for doll. D for doll. Capital D, again see. Capital D, small d. Capital D, small d. D for doll. D for doll. Capital D, small d. D for doll. D for doll. Capital D, small d. D for dog. D for doll. D for doll. D for doll. Okay, children. So you learned today 4-letter words in English oral. Again, I will repeat. Capital A, small a. A for apple. Capital B, small b. B for butterfly. Capital C, small c. C for cat. Capital D, small d. D for doll. Okay, children. So in English writing, you learned. What did you learn, children? Pattern writing. So parents, once again I request you to sit with the child and give them the practice. So that will be much easier for them to write the alphabets. Okay, children, you have to practice in the rough notebook whatever I taught in English writing. So in English oral, you learn from A to D. Okay, from capital A and small a. Okay, children, in the next few classes, we learn much more. So take care of yourself. Don't see TV too much.